Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just wanted to shoot this video as kind of a quick update what's been happening around the garage here, around the home front, and kind of some videos for you to expect. Here, I'm going to open this up a little more, get some more light in here. What you guys should expect for videos in the upcoming future here. A lot has changed since the last time I've spoken with you guys about what's happening around here, but pretty much, I guess what's happened. We've got some truck stuff happening coming up this week. That'll be a whole separate video. But around the garage here, I know last time I checked in I had a sled, and it's kind of a long story what happened. Like, I used the sled all winter, then spring came, while supposedly, as you can see, still got tons of snow, but spring came, decided I didn't want to store the sled all winter. Knew a buddy who wanted it, or sorry, store the sled all summer, knew a buddy that wanted it, and so he gave me cash plus another sled, and pretty much I parted out the other sled. This is it right here. So this is all that's left. It was a 2009 M1000 with a twisted turbo kit on it. So engine sold out of it. This is pretty much all that's left. All the big stuff is gone. It's just little stuff in the tunnel. But pretty much I traded him my 2013 Skidoo, E-Tech Skidoo 800 for this sled. Plus he gave me a couple $1,000s cash, which ended up working out good for me because I parted this sled out and I've made probably close to $6,000 on it so far, and I still got the turbo kit, which should fetch another $2,000. So pretty stoked about that. Made some money on that. Out front here, I do have another car that I got at the auction just last week. It's let's see if I can get you a better focus here. It's a 2012 Chevy Malibu. This fender here, as you can see, nothing really lines up. It was in a front end collision. Needed a new bumper and a new fender. Got the new bumper here, got it all painted up. Got a new fender, got it all painted up. So I'm just waiting for some warm weather to kind of mount everything up and get it all squared away. This thing has got 80,000 kilometers, and I got it for almost $1,000 even with taxes and everything. My bid was just under $1,000, so got that. So that'll be hopefully be able to get this bolted up and then out of here in the next few weeks, hopefully a week or so. Like I say, I just got to mount the new bumper on it. And then we got the Lancer still here. This has just kind of been put aside for all winter, and just kind of sitting here starting to look at that again. Kind of thinking I might sell this come spring, or come another month or so here, but we'll see. Not really sure about that yet. And then pretty much else in the garage, everything else is still the same. Got to get rid of this dirt bike. It's my buddy's bike. Got to get him to get that out of here. But other than that, just got to get these few sled parts out of here, and yeah. So I'm gonna, when it comes down to this car, I'll make a video again, how much money I made and stuff like that, and kind of bolting it back up. That'll be a whole separate video. And then another whole separate video, turn you around here, is going to be the truck. So my truck has pretty much, I've done a few mods to it since the showing you guys when I bought it. I've done a few things to it, nothing too major, but we got some big stuff happening this week here. I get nothing huge, but some stuff I know you guys will like. Hold on, let me get you back in focus. Some stuff I know you'll like. I guess I can give you a hint here. I got my trigger mud flaps back out, ready to install. Stuff like that. So I'll make a whole video about the truck coming up here. We're gonna have to be doing some painting. I got out my paint gun here and stuff like that. So I gotta go pick up paint this week and stuff. So a bunch of stuff's gonna be happening to the truck. So I'm gonna make probably two to three videos about that. So other than that, not much has been happening. Hopefully I can get this car out of here soon and get another one in. But other than that, we will see you guys in the next video. This is just kind of, like I said, a little update for you guys of what's been happening. If anybody needs any M8 or M1000 parts, let me know. I got tie rod, steering post, steering shaft, spindles, jerry can holder, fuel tank. Plus I got the twisted turbo kit, which will bolt up to an M8 or an M1000. Roughly with the turbo, it's a Garrett turbo. We're looking at roughly 18 pounds of boost, which I know it's quite crazy. But yeah, blow off valve, the whole works. So anyway, let me know if you guys need any parts. And other than that, we'll see you guys next week or later this week in a video. Most likely it has to do with the truck. So I'll see you guys then.